We did a big shop tonight. Step, prioritize the freezer stuff. Pizza. Yeah.
Is this the only freezer thing?
Yeah, that's the only freezer thing. Darling, it's your job, I said.
What about the chickens and beans?
Yeah, one by one you can do it. Anywhere in the cupboard. It doesn't have to be on top. If it won't fit. Huh? What about the middle one? That one is a smaller size. It looks, Step, it looks. There's still a little bit of cake there, Scarlett. Doing a good job, girls. Putting the shopping away.
Because you told us to.
Well, you have to learn how to help. How you going there, mate? There you go. Much better.
Yeah, much better.
You got a new beanie.
Baby.
You got a new beanie.
Mom,
What?
there's this too over here.
I bought 10. You think?
Yeah, thanks.
I'm teaching the girls to help.
Oh, Scott, there's one more. Mom, did you get the heavy one?
Why you can't
This side?
lift it up? Yeah. Yes. Yes. But you have to put the soup from Lola and the rice in the fridge. Those are heavy.
The rice is really heavy. Oh, I can't lift it up. Now I can lift this up. I got muscles.
You got muscles. Ah, you got muscles.
It's been spilled.
Hey? Oh yeah, put that in the sink.
Let me see. Oh my.
That's from Lola.
This one?
Yeah. And then, yeah, I'll fix it later.
Can you do the other one? Yeah.
See, you did it, Scarlett. You did it.
Well, since you have time to do something else, would you like to put all the other things? Oh wait, one more.
Now just leave that thing in the bench. Just that one. I want to eat that tonight with my coffee.
Oh, Daddy?
39 cents.
Should I leave this in the kitchen?
Yeah. You think it's organized?
Yes. But we still got this.
That's for the spices.
spices.
Yeah.
Why?
Because we need spices when you cook herbs and spices. So I'll show you the fridge. That looks better.
Oh, no.
We scored
Mommy,
4 schnitzels tonight
But Daddy,
for $6.76.
Mom, Daddy ate, and I only got a little bit left. Daddy all ate this.
Okay. And the pantry is looking good too. Plenty of stuff. And 5 kilos of rice. Hindi mawawala ang rice, oh. Jasmine rice. Ay, ang pumpkin. Nalata na, oh. Have to cook it.
Where's the bread?
The bread, it's still in the bag. Have a good night.